Let me teach you my tips and tricks for cooking sweet potatoes in the microwave and be able to enjoy them real fast. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel I share my family's favorite recipes and simple how-to videos like this one. So if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button. You and I can cook together twice a week. If you plan on microwaving your sweet potatoes and you're at the grocery store selecting them, something you should know is that the best ones are medium-sized and not too thick, because the thicker the sweet potato, the longer it will take to cook. If you're cooking more than one, two, or many, make sure you select similar sized sweet potatoes so they all finish cooking at the same time. First things first, you want to wash your sweet potato really well. I'm just using one of these produce scrubbers to scrub all the dirt off of my sweet potato. When microwaving your sweet potato, you also want to take a fork and poke holes on your sweet potato. You want to poke them all around on every side so the heat can penetrate through the skin. After that, I'm going to wrap my sweet potato in a moist paper towel. Here I'm taking some paper towels and running them under water, and you see I'm squeezing out all the water. So what I'm left with are moist paper towels. This is gonna help cook the sweet potatoes and add moisture so they don't dry out. So I'm just gonna place my paper towel on my cutting board and wrap my sweet potato in it just like that. I'm gonna put these two sweet potatoes in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Halfway through, I'm gonna use some kitchen tongs to flip them over. If you're just cooking one sweet potato, start at 4 minutes and then also flip it halfway through. With one sweet potato, I'm gonna add cooking time in 1 minute increments. If you're cooking 2 or more sweet potatoes, you'll want to add 2 minutes per sweet potatoes of incremental time. But don't worry, I'm gonna leave all that info in the description box, and while you're down there, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more of them on my channel for you. After some added time, these sweet potatoes seem like they're ready, so let me grab my fork and poke it right through the thickest part. Check out how easy it goes right in. Let me grab my kitchen tongs and remove the sweet potato from the microwave. Before you serve these and slice them through, they're gonna steam out. Let them rest for about 5 minutes. So let's check them out. I'm gonna unwrap it from my paper towel and let me show you how they're cooked inside. I'm gonna slice it in half right through the middle. And as you can see, we're gonna squeeze it. It's nice and soft and cooked in the inside. As you can see, it's fork tender. Sweet potatoes are super easy to cook ahead and have them for another meal. So leftovers can be placed in a airtight storage container and keep it in the fridge for like 3 days. And just like that, these microwave sweet potatoes, they're ready to go. Make sure to check the description box for some sweet potato recipes and other helpful videos. See you next time.